What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I'm here with iGulu with some very cool hops-related technology. What do we have here?
Hi, yes, so this is an automated beer brewer. So essentially it does the entire brewing process for you from beginning to end. And the way it works is very simple. Each brewer comes with a keg, and all you have to do is fill your keg with water up to the line. And then all you have to do is grab your beer kits. Each beer kit comes with all the ingredients you need to make the beverage style. You pour the ingredients into the keg, and then you pop the keg back into the brewer. And this is what it will look like. And then each beer kit comes with a RFID sticker, which scans on the side of the machine, and then it automatically reads the beer recipe for you, and it starts brewing. Usually it takes about 7 to 15 days, depending on the beer style. And after it's done brewing, it can also keep your beer cool for up to 30 days with the use of a soda streamer in the back.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of
That looks
course.
great. But before we get started, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Vegas Near Me. This is my first time going to Las Vegas, Nevada for CES 2025, and I couldn't have done it without Vegas Near Me. This app is amazing. It gives you a 3D map with every single location or point of interest or show, along with the showtimes, information, videos, and so much more. Definitely check it out at the link below. Let's get back to the video.
It retails for $6.99, but for CES, we're having a special where you can get it for $5.49. The sale ends this week on Sunday, so if you're interested, I would highly recommend it.
Act now.
Act
All
now.
right, so cheers. We're trying out the home brewed beer.
$6.99, but you can get it for $5.49.
Actually good.
Yeah.
This is good. That's cool.
Yeah,
I
okay.
might have to start making some homemade beer.
With a modern day voodoo, the dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect,